Geography lesson by Gulfikar Ghosh. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitably about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned and without style, when the jet sprang into the sky. Students, this poem is about the way Earth looks from different altitudes. It is divided into three parts. When the jet takes off and starts to climb up in the sky, you can have full view of the city. Now, in the first stanza, the poet describes his city. He tells us how it appears from the window of an aeroplane. It is clear that the city developed just as it was necessary for the people, but it did not grow as per proper planning. It doesn't have any particular style. It even looked 6 inches from a certain height, revealing its true structure. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography, that land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the jet rose to the height of 10,000 feet, the poet can see the logic of geography. He can see why the cities in the country have grown along the rivers. The valleys are populated for the same reason. It is the land and water together that attracts the people. Water fulfills the necessities like agriculture, transport, business, domestic purposes, etc. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why. By Gulfikar Ghosh. In the third stanza, when the jet went above 6 miles, there is more water than land on earth, and the earth looked round. While appreciating the geographical niceties of our planet, the poet is unable to understand the tendency to build borders, to erect walls, to create fences. Then he reflected that people on earth are selfish and narrow minded. They hate each other. They found the earth to be one, but not the people living on this earth. People are divided for shallow reasons.